Hi everybody, we're making a little snack here. This is a great appetizer to serve in individual cups like I'm doing today. You can make this in a pie dish. What is it, you ask? It's Argentinian Provoleta, baked Argentinian Provoleta. Provoleta is an Argentinian cheese which is very similar to provolone. Since we sell provolone, we're actually using provolone. We have an aged Cabre Provolone from Italy. We sell it in quarter rounds like this, but we can cut it into half rounds if you prefer, if you wanted to fill a pie plate or something with this. So basically what it is you put your cheese into your dish, and that goes into an oven at 450 degrees until it gets all bubbly and really soft. And then we have caramelized onions, which I've just cooked low and slow in about maybe a half a tablespoon of butter, just to give it a little bit of color and flavor. And caramelizing, as you can tell by the name, brings out the sweetness, browns it, but it also brings out the sweetness in the onions, which is really nice. So we've got our cheese, we've got our onions. I'm gonna put some fresh chopped tomatoes. Oh, by the way, the cheese before it goes in the oven, we just brush with a little bit of olive oil. So we're gonna put our tomatoes on the top like so. I've got fresh oregano here, and I am going to use a little bit of harissa, which is a spice blend from Griffin Ridge, and it's pretty spicy, so I'm not going to use a ton of it. And then this is going to go right back into the oven with a mitt because it is still hot. This recipe came to us from Lynn Shipway, who has been a customer for years. She had this at a restaurant in North or South Carolina, I think, and we'll get the name of the restaurant so we can give them full credit for this. And she has been serving this all summer to friends and family, so she shared the recipe with us because it sounded so good. So I'm going to pop this back in the oven. Oh, whoa, look at that. It's alive. And we'll take out this one which is all done, and this is just going to be in the oven for maybe another 4 or 5 minutes, if that. So you can see it's all nice. The tomatoes are warmed up, the onions are hot, the cheese is bubbly, and we're going to put this on some cracker. Woo! We think we are. Maybe a knife would be better. And this is going to be absolutely delish. Wow, that is a mouthful. I'm going to get some more tomatoes on that. And it's going to be way too hot for me to take a bite in front of you because I would just embarrass myself. But doesn't that not look delicious? This is a fabulous, fabulous smelling, fabulous tasting appetizer. Like I said, individuals or in a big dish. Either way, thank you, Lynn Shipway. This is awesome.